Hey, do you know that we can use a FIORI application exactly as your SAP GUI application? Yeah, let me show you today how to use your GUI application exactly like your FIORI application, exactly like the GUI application, which means where you can perform all the configuration activities. And also you can use this for all your end user activities to create any master data or a transaction data as well, along with your configurations, which we know that end users use FIORI applications for their regular business activities on day-to-day basis, whereas consultants also can use FIORI application to perform various configuration activities and also for various testing activities. Let me show you today how you can use a FIORI application. So exactly like GUI, what we are currently using it. Let's say that, for example, whenever you are in GUI, right? Let's say you are using your GUI application. This is your GUI application, graphical user interface, where you can enter your any transaction code that you wanted to access in this field. This field is called command field, where you can enter your transaction code. The same way, you just need to enable this command field in your FIORI application as well to use your FIORI application just like your GUI application. Now, let me show you that from FIORI application. Once you log into the FIORI, so let's say that you logged into the FIORI. So where is my FIORI? So let's you get into the FIORI first, where something like this you log in. As soon as you log into FIORI application, try to find any one tile which can help you to post any journal entry or display a journal entry document. In this example, I'm going to navigate with display document journal. So when you navigate to display document journal, try to open this. So which will open document journal display screen where you will find a menu option. Before you find menu option, observe this command field here, which is already available. So where I have already enabled this command field, which in FIORI we call it as an OK code. So where you see enter transaction code, this field we use to enter transaction code. Now, if I want to enter any transaction code, let's say /n, to create a company code OX02, the moment I start typing it, system also will give you various suggestions. The moment I start typing with O, it will give me an options that matches or which is frequently used, all those results, let's say OX02, so that I can create my own company code here, right? So this is how you can use FIORI application also to make any configurations. Now let's say that let me exit from here and go back to this. And let's say that I'll go back again, once again, to display journal here and show you how to enable this OK code. Go to settings. Once you go to settings option, under interaction design, you will find visualization. Under visualization, you will find OK code field. So here is where you just need to enable OK code field, where you see this option to enable this. Show OK code. The tick mark means it is enabled. Once you enable it, you will be able to find this command field button, command field option in your FIORI application. From there on, you will be able to enter any transaction code. But let me tell you another uh, disadvantage here. You can't use /o just like what you use in GUI application. Whenever you try to use /o with any transaction code, for example, let me try to open OB13. It says maximum number of GUI session stage. It is not referring to the number of tabs that I already opened here where you see, but in fact, there is no option in FIORI application where you can do multiple, where you can work with multiple sessions. You need to go with a duplicate option. You just say duplicate. That way you can use unlimited FIORI applications or the tiles or the sessions at a time. But you can't use /o in a command field. But you can always replace this as a slash here, whatever you want. Hope this makes useful for you to enable or turn your FIORI application into GUI for your usage. Hope you like the content. For more content, refer to our YouTube channel where you can find it in KNR Ignite Solutions channel, all such useful, helpful material. Thank you.